again. Me and Rashan there. And we're doing some permit jack hunting today, guys. The wind is up here a bit, guys, so I have to move behind the car so you guys can hear me properly. But stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna be doing periodically clips. I'm gonna jump in the water, get some sea urchins. I have some other bait, but I want to grab some sea urchins just to make sure we're on the right track today. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. I'm not going in the water with this camera. It's the only camera I have. Not taking any chances with it. You gotta be careful when you're taking them out, even one that's not busted. Yeah, guys, this is Jamaican shore fishing. Me and Rashan's here, and we're hunting for permit jacks today, guys, and some snappers. But what I'm doing right now is getting the sea urchin ready to get on the hook. You can't really put them on the hook with all these spikes because the spike's gonna stick you if you do that. And we're gonna put these sea urchins, sea eggs as they call them, on the hooks and send them out and hunt for some big monstrous permit jack, 10 pounds and up, guys. That's what we're aiming for today, and hopefully we can accomplish that. So got that sorted out, and this is cleaned up already, almost done, guys. I just need to get all the spikes off and out of my way that I can just hook them onto the hook and get this bad boy out there for a big fish. That is it, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Rashan's turn, guys. You see it now? So Rashan, there's a mouth. You see the mouth under here? I bring it through the little soft part next to the mouth, and I bring it into the shell, right? I hold it on each end, then I wiggle the hook. Oh fuck, if you go too hard, that's what happens. So now don't worry about that break. You come back on the other side. Just watch your fingers, because it will go right through and go right in your fingers. It happened to me already. See? So it goes to a small hole. You try not to make a big hole, because then the barb won't be able to go back through once you send it out like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Rashan, I'll send out that one, yeah. Perfect. Yeah, guys, so it got a little bit wet doing this, but it's all right. Set, that one's set, ready to go. I just need to get the next line baited up with some squid, and Rashan's getting the next one ready. Get that squid out, guys. Got that one set up already. Right next to the next one, bro. Try to cast a little bit wider here. A while ago, and the one that I had on it was shelled out, so I'm gonna put another one out and get it out there, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, how to catch a fish, guys. This is what's up. And Rashan's out here permit jack hunting. I got some sea eggs, sea urchins they call them, and let's get this line out, guys. Hey, last time I was standing on this wall like this, fish pulled me off the wall, bro, in one of the videos. Crazy. You want to check that one? Yeah, so I got that one set out there, guys. I got this one set up with shrimp and squid over here, and then I got this one, Rashawn got this one set with sea egg, but he had put his on there good. It didn't have a break in it like mine did, so I had to change mine off a while ago because all the internals were gone. So I sent out a fresh one, guys. I'm waiting for that now to see if we're gonna get a hit. It's now 4:30. We've been here since about 3 o'clock, so we run it 3 o'clock, 3:30. It was 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock bite, but we out here, we're going to run it to about 6, 7 o'clock maybe, and then we're going to go in after that, guys. But stay tuned, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. We out here, definitely dropping some line to see what we can pick up and how much fish that we can get this evening, guys, if any at all. So stay tuned, guys. Just remember, it's called fishing, not catching. All right? So bless up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. I don't like catching them. I don't like them catching on my line. They just annoying and they just bother me a lot. And it's just really annoying, guys. They just wrap up your rigs and mess your rigs up and cut your lines up and all kinds of stuff. Grab that pliers for me, Rashawn, so I can just get him off quick so he don't mess my rig up. You're just annoying. So I gotta keep bouncing them, guys, so that he don't mess my rig up. It's an eel, a concrete eel. I don't like them on my line, so I got to just keep him suspended and bouncing that he can't get a chance to wrap on my line or tangle up my line at all. So what I need to do is just keep him bouncing so I can clear the rest of this line out his way and get that up in the air. He's on the hook. I get that pliers in the hook without him trying to bite me and him trying to tangle me up. Oh shit. You want to hold this? Let me control this pliers. Just hold the weight. And this. Just keep him suspended so the other line don't get on top of him. And he's just spinning on the damn thing. Let go off the bait. I'm not trying to let go off the bait. Let go off the bait, damn it. Yo, he lucky. Look, guys, a concrete eel on land. Oh, yeah. This is a spooky guy right here, man. They got some gnarly teeth, guys. Look at them. Gnarly little fellow. Woo. Trying to get him back in the water, but they're just really annoying, and they just get on your line and just tangle your whole rig up and everything. But let me get him back in the water, guys. I'm not going to keep this guy. I normally would keep him for snapper bait, but nah, I don't need him today. He's kind of small. Pick up something off the road, not much luck, and I said, let me try these rocks down here real quick. These shoes that I'm in, they're very slippery. Didn't intend to come all the way out here, but the water's a little bit deeper here, guys, and I'll get a better cast. So let me get around this monster rock right here and get in the water a bit, guys, and see if I can grab something on the lure. Yeah, this won't feel good, but you grab, right, guys? Lure fishing. Maybe lure fishing, guys. So the wind is kicked up here. I gotta do low cast, guys. I can't do any high cast. Guys, left Rashawn back there to watch the rods, and I'm trying to walk to that old wreck down there to see if I can pick up a barrel or something on this stretch. So stay tuned, guys. I'm walking as fast as I can before I lose daylight, and getting down here and getting a few casts in at the same time without getting hitched up on this reef. So stay tuned, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. This was a wreck. It was all the way out in the water, but apparently it's not, guys. I thought it was deeper than that, but I walked down here to check it, see if I can pick something up. Something hit it a while ago, guys. Coming down here to this damn stupid reef. The waves are way high, the rocks are way sharp, and this shit looks sketchy. And I don't know why I'm doing this, but stupid me got my phone in my hand and other things. Go up this drop off. I gotta watch out for holes. Make sure there's no holes going back. This is sketchy, guys. Sketchy bad. Jamaican shore fishing sketchy. When you wanna see me, when you wanna see me, been right into Miami. Yeah, that wave's getting bigger and bigger. I don't like that feeling. One more, and that's it. We out. Can't believe it. At least one juvie barrel around here. Wow. Where you at, Barra? Let me get off the ground. Don't slide and bust my shit up in the hole. Mr. Barrow, sing me a song. Mr. Barrow, sing me a song.